Hey guys, so this is me Kaudi Sharma and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another artwork, so let's see how it turns out, and please watch the video till the end. Also, if you liked it, then hit the like button.
So guys, firstly starting with the colors, I used white, yellow ochre, burnt sienna and sap green color. Also I used a 10 number flat brush for it. So firstly, as I always begin by making the sheet a little bit of wet, not much wet but a little bit, तो उससे कलर जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छे से पेपर में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है और ब्लेंड भी अच्छे से होता है. Now I started by using white color, then yellow ochre, then burnt sienna and at last sap green. But sap green was used only at one side, and also for blending the colors उसमें बीच बीच में white color मिलाया था. If the color seems a bit dry to you, then use a little bit of water to blend it and make it smooth. Over here I again used white to blend it, but उसका कलर लाइट हो गया था तो उसमें एक दो कोट चढ़ाने पड़े थे बाद में. Firstly I tried to make the bushes with the sponge, but उससे इतना अच्छा नहीं आ रहा था. So at the end I used the brush with the tap movement for making the grass and the trees. Also over here I did the mistake. I joined the end line completely, but उसको पूरी तरह से जॉइन नहीं करना था. ग्रासेस थोड़ी सेपरेट ही होने चाहिए. Also अगर पूरी तरह से जॉइन कर देंगे तो फिर उसमें डेप्थ इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, तो इसलिए प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक. उसको जॉइन मत करना पूरा. Guys, over here I used orange and yellow also because I wasn't having any idea about it. So that's why I was just trying to experiment it, and it turned out to be quite fine at the end. Guys, this was all for today. I hope you liked the video, and if yes, then please show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it to everyone. Also, please subscribe to my channel and let me know your views in the comment section below. Also, if you have some suggestions regarding the painting and the style, so please let me know in the views. I'm always open to suggestions. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end if you really did it. And please hit the like button and press the bell icon. Also subscribe to my channel and please share it to everyone. We'll be back with a new video. Till then, stay safe and stay at home.
So guys, if you are here, then I hope you watched the video till the end. So please hit the like button if you liked it, and आपके views से comment section भर दीजिए. Subscribe करके bell notification को press कर दीजिए ताकि सारे नए artworks जैसे ही आए या recipes आए तो वो आपको सबसे पहले मिल जाए. And please share it with everyone so that it reaches to maximum number of audience. Thank you so much.